How to escape room in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can escape this room. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm inside the game. Now, this is the gaming interface and this is the room that I am in. Now, in order to get out, first you must search for different objects in the room. So here I'm searching for objects. Now here as you can see, there's a nightstand. Simply tap and hold on to it. So as you can see, it has moved. Now simply tap on this crouch button and slowly move forward. So as you can see, I'm going through a tunnel. So in many cases there are different rooms and you must find a way to get out. So as you can see, I've gotten out. So now you can start playing the game again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.